Most people think building wealth is about making more money. It's not. It's about this one habit. When I was broke, I thought I just needed a better job, a raise, or a lucky break. But the real problem? I had zero financial discipline. The habit I'm about to share didn't just change my bank account. It changed how I think about money forever. The habit is paying yourself first. Here's what that means. Before you pay bills, before you buy food, before you do anything, you set aside a percentage of your income for your future, even if it's just $5. Why it works? It rewires your brain to treat savings as a non-negotiable. It forces you to live on what's left, building discipline automatically. Over time, that small amount grows into real money. How to start today? Open a separate savings account. Decide on a percentage, even 5% is a start. Automate it so it happens without you thinking. The key mindset shift: most people save what's left after spending. Wealthy people spend what's left after saving. That one flip changes everything. Start with $5 today. Seriously, the amount doesn't matter, the habit does. Follow Broke to Build for day 3 tomorrow. We're just getting started.